Well, my name is Wayne Gillett, and I started August 21 of 2006. I started in as an imaging recruiter and have been there ever since. A couple of short stints in our therapy division and in our pharmacy division. I actually worked 6 weeks with our nursing department, but for the most part I've been in imaging. Well, I've recently gotten into some hobbies that are a little bit expensive. A couple of years ago I bought a Harley Davidson. It's an '08 Electra Glide. Ultra classic, white, so different than most Harleys, but that was a little bit more expensive. My wife and I like to take short trips just around town, around the area, but then a lot of times we'll take a trip a couple days away. We went a year ago to Kansas City, Leavenworth, Topeka, Manhattan, and then back a couple days, so short little drives during the day and stop for night and just hang out in a new town. So it's a lot of fun. I'm actively involved in my church, Stonebridge Christian Church. Through them, we have taken trips to Mexico with an organization. We've gone there to build houses for disadvantaged families. This February, I was there for the 13th year that I've been. So when we get there, I always have to cry just a little bit because it's amazing that just 5 hours south of Phoenix, there's people that live in just horrible conditions, literally in the shadow of high-rise apartment complexes and so on. Every year is different. Every year is the same, but every year is different because you're seeing different people, seeing people with new needs, different things going on. I'll never take an x-ray. I'll never do an ultrasound. But I am all about patient care. That's my job. So when I find candidates who demonstrate patient care and go job to job to job providing that, it's like, that's exactly what I'm looking for. That's what makes it worthwhile for me. One of the things that I think people would want to come to Aureus for is that I work for Aureus. I'm not the best recruiter in the world. I'm not the best one at Aureus. I'm probably not the best one around, but I am who I am. And if people want to work with Aureus, want to work with somebody who's going to be straight up and honest with you, do what I can to get you a job, then there's a reason to come to Aureus. There's a lot of great people at Aureus. It's not just me, but I'm here. And the people that I work with are great people. I know what they do, and it's probably not seen by most everybody, but I know what they do behind the scenes to make things happen. There's a whole bunch of teams of people that make it happen, and that's valuable.